Hello everyone. Today our SN News team has reached Satlok Ashram Khamano district Fatehgarh Sahib state Punjab. So we are here for the coverage of 3-day event on Kabir Nirvan Divas. Kabir Nirvan Divas, this day marks the moment when Kabir, the supreme God, ascended the mortal world to his eternal abode Satlok. His divine teachings have been a guidance for the people, for the humanity, for the equality and truth. On these 3 days, there will be the special programs, the noble programs or events will be going to organized by the followers of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Among these 3 nobles, the one is blood donation camp. So we are here in front of that gate, the blood donation camp. I would say the cameraman to focus on the line of the people, those who are waiting for their turn, as they are voluntarily participating in donating blood. This is what they want to show or give the message the Kabir Sahib Ji has embodied. They are here not for any money, not for anything, but yes, for showing how Kabir Sahib Ji has gave the lesson through Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. As we can see on the left side also, there is a big van on which it is mentioned healthcare project in collaboration with Department of Transfusion Medicine Blood Bank. So this is from the PGI. So now we are going to enter in this and we'll see that what facilities are going to provide to the people, those who are going to participate in this blood donation camp. Now we are here in the center of that place, the blood donation camp, where the people, they are voluntarily participating in the blood donation camp. And before entering, their weight is being checked. There is a huge line. There is a desk where the number of people they are sitting, and they have to fill a form, the registration form, where they have to fill the consent form, whether they are interested or not, in which there is a huge details about the person, those who are going to donate the blood. And in the end, after donating the blood, they have been appreciated. They are being appreciated by a certificate by Indian Red Cross Society. And on the left hand side also, you can see the doctors are giving the advices also whether they can give the blood, donate the blood or not. And after filling all the registration forms and everything, they have to come to the second desk, and on the second desk they bring the consent form that they have already filled at the very first stage. Here the doctors, you can see, they check the HB of the patients, whether giving the details whether they are healthy or not for donating that blood. The cameraman to focus on the patient, the people, those who are donating the blood. You can see the doctors, they are giving the special treatments. It is not like they are all alone. Everywhere they are given the special treatment. In case if they feel any kind of nausea or any kind of unconsciousness, that can be fulfilled or that can be controlled. See that there are blood samples of the people, those who voluntarily participated, want to participate in this blood donation camp, and everything is done under special surveillance, e-surveillance. There is the number of the people, those who have already donated the blood. You can see it is not only the males but the females as well. So now we are going to take the interview of one of the professionals from PGI. Let's see that what they have been thinking about this event. Morning, sir.
Good morning.
So what's your name?
My name is Dr. Imran Khan.
Okay, so what is your designation?
I am a medical officer.
So from where you are?
I live in Khamano.
Okay, so is this the first time that you have visited here?
Yes, this is the first time we have visited over here.
What do you think about this, the event that has been going on, that has been provided or that has been organized by the followers of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj?
Yes, actually the management over here has done a tremendous job, an amazing job. We don't have to, we have set up many other camps in many other locations, but we haven't received such a reception yet.
Can you tell me something about related the meal? Is it good enough that they have provided to the people, those who have voluntarily participated?
Yes, the helping staff, the management staff has been so helpful to us that we don't have to do anything else than deriving blood. That's all.
What actually do you check before the patients or the people they donate bloods?
We have to follow all aseptic measures. We check the donor's blood pressure, hemoglobin levels, and ask specific history about which are required for criteria of blood donation. The measures taken over here are on the top standards, I must say.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So this is what the staff of the PGI also they have discussed. They shared their views about that how the followers of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj and the management has managed everything gracefully, and they have done the tremendous job. And yes, it is of course a well organized everything by the followers of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Even you can say that how the followers of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, even if they have donated the blood, they are full of enthusiasm. Even they are not seen like they have donated blood or even tired. Yes, not lethargic, not tired, but enthusiasm, even after donating blood. This is what the Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj has given the message to everyone.